everyone, it's me Alta. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how I made Mullo from the show Miraculous Ladybug and another Mullo Plushie. So let's get started with our materials. So what I used was some sketch paper, pen and pencil, a chalk, some tape, hot glue, acrylic paints in the colors you see on the screen, and some stretchy gray fabric, a stick to push around the stuffing, and that's pretty much it. Just make sure you have all the materials gathered and let's get started. First of all, I made a pattern using just my sketching subpar skills. I tried to sketch a pattern, and here you can see the measurements in the little sketchpad I have here. You can copy that or make your own. It's up to you, the shape is up to you, just make sure that you get the 10cm mark because that's how tall kwamis are from the official wiki. Then after that, I just laminated the paper with some clear tape so the paper was sturdy because clear paper is not going to stand up to those pins, baby. After that, I just, cut out my pattern. Make sure you put tape on both sides so that your pattern is nice and sturdy and ready to use. After we're done with that, we're gonna put it onto the little fabric. Make sure your fabric is double-sided and both of the good sides are facing on the inside and together. So the outside that you see here, these are the bad sides. After I sketched, I left a little piece, you see the little yellow mark, this we're not gonna sew this part, and to sew around the pins. Here you see the total after sewing and not cutting or anything, and just make sure, please leave a little bit of opening on the head so we can stitch it back later and we can stuff it. After you're done with that, you're gonna see that you're gonna cut it out. Here's mine cut out here. It looks kind of funny, but right now it's time to turn it inside out. That's where a little stick comes in. We're gonna use it to push out the details like the hands and the feet. Are those hands? Oh, I don't know. Like little kwami hands. And use the stick to just take out all of the detail right there and make it look really nice. So, doesn't look that really nice. That's what it looks like after turning inside out. It's just so funny. Now I use some cotton to stuff it. Please use polyester stuffing, it's much easier. But that's all I had, and I don't have money to buy more stuffing, so I used what I could find around the house, so cotton it is. Make sure you use the stick again to push the cotton or the stuffing onto the hands and the feet. And after you're done stuffing the body and mostly the head, we're gonna create a little bit of a nicer neck because that one was a little too thick. Just take some thread and wrap it around your creature's neck. You don't have to try too hard, just to make sure that the neck looks a little bit more kwami-like. As you can see here, I tied it quite a lot compared to where it was in the past, before. And after I'm done stuffing it completely, I just sew off the little part I told you to leave open earlier so we can put the stuffing in. Just use some thread in the same color, of the fabric and close it up. We're gonna make the ears next. So first of all, take some pink foam. It doesn't have to be pink, I just use different foam for the other ear. And cut out a shape that looks like an ear. Make sure it fits onto your plushie quite well. I did a couple of attempts to do that and it worked on the fourth try, I think. But that's what I got for the main ear. Then cover it with some fabric and glue it on with hot glue. After you're done with that, we're going to need to take a smaller piece that's going to fit inside the big one so it can be the pink part of the ear. No matter what kind of foam you use, we're going to paint this little foam part with some nice light pink color so it matches the little head. Now we're going to make the face. I took my pattern and with a toothpick I drew eyes and mouth on it. This looks kind of creepy, but that's how I make the ears and mouth. I just painted it with paint, and these are all the pieces I had. 2 eyes, a mouth with little teeth, the 2 ears, and the 2 pinks that go inside the ears. After that, you need to assemble this with hot glue. And the result is this little thing, this little creature. I went a little bit overboard with the hot glue and had an accident. That's why it has a bit of hot glue on this little face. I'm sorry for that, but I tried my best to make Mullo, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I love you all so much, and thank you for leaving me those amazing comments. It makes my day, honestly, and I'm really happy that you guys enjoy what I make. So, as a present, next episode. See you on the next one!